Today we are going to start the branching. We can call it also the selection. So as if now we are going to start the code line by line. Okay. So now we have to take some decision. Suppose you are taking some decision, then our code will be executed one line by line. Okay. Suppose you are taking some decision, you are checking some values, then remaining code will be executed. So this decision will decide which code will be executed. Suppose this decision will be correct, then will execute this block, otherwise will execute this block. They are not sequentially executing your code, that means your code will not be executed line by line. Upon that condition, your decision will be final. Now I am going to take input from user. I am going to take input for two numbers and then tell the user this number is greater or this number is greater. Now I want to decide which number is greater. So now let's check with the program. Now let's see some example of a branching. So our first example is greater number. Okay, so just we have to take two variables. X is equals to int input. We can take these elements from the user input. So enter number, this is for first variable. Again y is equals to int input, enter number. Okay, then take condition if this x is greater than y, so the output will be x is greater, that is print x is greater, otherwise else this block will be executed. So print y is greater, so y is. Now if we run this code, enter number, first number is going to be 50 and next for y is 90, so y is greater. Okay, so for our better understanding, we can write here enter number for x and enter number for y. Okay, now run this code again. Enter number for x is 50 and y for 80, so y is greater. Now we can add in the print here x comma, so here we get the value from x and here we get the value from y. Again we run this code. So enter number for x is 50 again and for y is 70, so 70 is greater. Again for better understanding, we can write here the y, that means y is greater, and number for x, that means the x is greater. Again we can run this code. Okay, so for x is 40 and y is 60, so 60, that means y is greater. Okay, this is our first program. Then let's see another program, our second program. Okay, so write a program to find out whether given number is even or odd. Okay, so I am taking some user input x equals to int input, enter enter number then the condition if x is modulus of 2 equals to 0, then print this will give the output as x is even x is even, then else print x is odd, x is odd. So if I run this code, I will comment out the first program. Okay, so if I run this code, enter number, if I enter 100 is even again. Okay, I am taking another number as 67 is odd. Okay, so again if I run this code again, so 35 is odd. If I enter 40 is even. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.